Millville Radio, Skyhawk 410 Bravo Sierra.
Skyhawk 410 Bravo Sierra, Millville Radio, go ahead, sir.
Good morning, 0 Bravo Sierra is at the ramp for Big Sky. I'd like advisories, please.
Skyhawk 410 Bravo Sierra, Millville Airport advisories, winds 120 altimeter 3065. I have a Cherokee working the pattern, and runway 10 is favored, and you're going to advise taking the active.
Roger that, favored 10, and we'll advise when we're taking the active for 0 Bravo Sierra. Millville traffic, Millville Radio, Skyhawk 410 Bravo Sierra is departing 10 standard, downwind departure to the west.
November 0 Bravo Sierra, winds at 130 at 6, you can advise clear the area.
Millville Radio, Skyhawk 346 Bravo Sierra.
November 346 Bravo Sierra, Millville Radio.
6 Bravo Sierra is 10 northwest at 2000 inbound, request advisories.
November 346 Bravo Sierra,
Airspeed's
Millville
alive.
Airport advisory. The winds are 130 at 6, altimeter 3065. Runway 10 is favored right now. Upper level turbulence in the area. You can let me know if you need information on that. You can advise entering the pattern.
What a beautiful day.
6 Bravo Sierra, I'll enter a left downwind for 10 and advise entering the pattern.
.500 feet, traffic check. There. Clear to our left. Start our left turn, downwind departure. And we're going to be climbing to 4,500. Chester County, you have a white Skyhawk 0 Bravo Sierra entering the pattern, crosswind for 11, Chester County.
And Chester County traffic, helicopter 76 Tango Romeo departing 11 will be a right turnout departing to the southwest Chester County.
And Chester County, we have the departing traffic inside Chester County.
And 6 Tango Romeo, Roger, you at site as well.
Cambridge Beach there is about 5 miles to the north. Which runway are you using?
Birds. Chester County, 0 Bravo Sierra is base to final 11, Chester County.
And the traffic Coast Guard Copter 6507 is turning left base for runway 03.
Chester County, Skyhawk 0 Bravo Sierra is base to final touch and go, 11, Chester County. Chester County, Skyhawk 0 Bravo Sierra, downwind for 11 Chester County. A little bit gusty up here, huh? Degrees of flaps.
At the end, we're going. I can see it during the daytime.
Central Jersey, Mooney, about 1 mile. We'll enter crosswind, runway 7, left traffic.
Carroll County traffic, Cessna 78 Foxtrot Mike. Traffic, Juliet Tango, 1125, traffic. We'll pass overhead the VOR northbound into Carroll County.
Traffic, Diamond 110 Charlie Tango is upwind, runway 16, turning onto crosswind, left hand, Carroll County.
Chester County, Skyhawk 0 Bravo Sierra, short final 11 Chester County.
And Chester County, Taylor Craft is 3 miles to the south. Be crossing midfield for a left downwind for 11. I've got the landing Cessna in sight.
Took my time. Chester County traffic, Skyhawk 0 Bravo Sierra is clear of the active taxiing back for departure for 11 Chester County. Chester County 0 Bravo Sierra is taking the active 11, departing to the southeast.
Chester County traffic RV is turning left base 11 Chester County. Chester County traffic RV starting final 11 Chester County.
Columbia 6 miles now to the north.
Wilmington Tower, Skyhawk 410 Bravo Sierra.
Skyhawk 410 Bravo Sierra, Wilmington Tower.
Good afternoon. 0 Bravo Sierra is about 10 miles to the northwest, inbound for touch and go with information Delta.
Skyhawk 410 Bravo Sierra, roger. What runway would you like? Wind currently 100 at 7.
14 if able.
Skyhawk 410 Bravo Sierra, roger. Enter a right midfield downwind for runway 14. Traffic is a Mooney, 5 miles southwest inbound for the midfield downwind.
Roger, midfield downwind for 14. We'll keep an eye out for the traffic, 0 Bravo Sierra.
And Tower, Mooney 07 Fox, if you're 100, I'll take runway 9 if that's possible. I can enter a right base.
Mooney 07 Fox, tried approved as requested. Report a right base for runway 9er.
Roger, 07 Fox. Tower, Frontier 1035, ready to go runway 1.
Frontier 1035, Wilmington Tower. Turn left heading 330, runway 1, wind 140 at 6, clear for takeoff.
Turn left 330, runway 1, clear for takeoff. Frontier 1035.
Cessna 0 Bravo Sierra, traffic's an Airbus 319 departing runway 1 and turning northwestbound.
Roger, I'll keep an eye out for the traffic. Tower, any chance 0 Bravo Sierra could get straight in for 14?
Number 0 Bravo Sierra, make straight in runway 14.
Roger, straight in for 14 for 0 Bravo Sierra.
Mooney 07 Foxtrot, runway 9er, wind 090 at 5, clear to land, traffic Airbus 319 departing runway 1.
Clear to land, 07 Fox, traffic in sight, official stop.
And Wilmington Tower, 0 Bravo Sierra, just advising on after touch and go, we're departing to the southeast.
Cessna 0 Bravo Sierra, roger. Frontier 1035, traffic, Cessna 4 mile final, runway 14, descending at a 1,700 feet, contact Philadelphia departure, good day.
We're looking to go to departure, Frontier 1035.
Cessna 0 Bravo Sierra, traffic, Airbus 319, now 2 miles off the departure end of runway 1, turning northwestbound, 1,900 feet and climbing.
Roger, 0 Bravo Sierra has the bus.
Wilmington Tower, Cessna 134 Bravo at Kilo 5, runway 9, ready for takeoff, departure to the south.
Cessna 134 Bravo, Wilmington Tower, hold short runway 9er, landing traffic.
Holding short runway 9er, 134 Bravo.
Cessna 0 Bravo Sierra, runway 14, wind 080 at 8, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, 140 Bravo Sierra.
Mooney 07 Foxtrot, when able, you can make the 180 there, turn left taxiway Foxtrot, ground 1 off point 7.
Roger, 180 on the Foxtrot, 07 Fox.
Cessna 134 Bravo, runway 9er at Kilo 5, wind 080 at 6, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 9134 Bravo. Wilmington Tower, Cessna 134 Bravo, request a right turn to the south.
Cessna 134 Bravo, turn to the south approved. Traffic, Cessna departing runway 14. He's on the runway currently.
Okay, looking out for traffic turning right to the south.
Cessna 0 Bravo Sierra, traffic just off the departure end of runway 1, turning southbound to Cessna 172. Say direction of flight you're requesting?
It's going to be to the south, tower for 0 Bravo Sierra.
Cessna 0 Bravo Sierra, roger. Southbound turn approved. That traffic is just about a mile behind you at 1,600 feet currently.
Okay, roger. Keep an eye out for the traffic. Southbound turn approved, 0 Bravo Sierra.
We got 80 feet